Hello everyone, this printer is Canon Pixma MG3650, MG3600 series. What I want to do is to show you how to restore factory default setting with this printer. Select the cancel and stop button, press and hold it, and the warning light will highlight 21 times. Then you release it, press this button a couple of times, and it will print out network configuration. So what you need to do is press and hold this button. The warning light will highlight 21 times. You release it, then press and hold the Wi-Fi button so that it will print out network configuration. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Then you release it, then press the Wi-Fi button. 1, 2, 3. It's printing out network configuration page. Network configuration page, MG3600 series, wireless LAN enabled, infrastructure enabled, connection inactive, connection method disabled. So this is how to restore the factory default setting for this printer. Thank you very much indeed.